Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It is an absolute pleasure to have you here. My name is Jeremy Cowan. I'm editorial director of IoT Global Awards, which is here in its inaugural year, brought to you by a partnership of IoT Global Network and Closer Still Media, the organizers of this fantastic event. So thank you so much for coming. We have been, I can honestly say, amazed and delighted by the response that we have had to this inaugural year of the awards. Seldom have I seen, and I've worked in this industry for a while, such a positive, high quality, high quantity feedback in terms of the number of awards entries received in the first year. It's quite astonishing. As I say, it's not just quantity, it's the quality. What we have here is an award scheme that has been brought to you by the expertise of 12 in fact, global independent VIP judges, some of whom I'm delighted to see are here this evening. Svetlana and Ansgar amongst them. So thank you very much for your expertise. These are our judges: Justin Anderson from KPMG, Alain Louchet from Georgia Tech, Robin Duke-Woolley from Beecham Research, William Webb, Professor William Webb, who is CEO of Weightless, Sanjay Khatri from Cisco Jasper, Chris Wasden from Utah, Ansgar Schlautman from Solon, Thorsten Schröer from IBM, Philip Van from Accenture, Janelia Howell from the analysts IHS Markit, and Svetlana Grant, Project Director from GSMA. So please, on all of our behalves, give them a very big thank you for making this possible. This is a VIP lineup of judges. Let's go to the awards. The categories that we have identified as being the most interesting to find out more about, to celebrate the excellence in. These are the product or service of the year, and you can see 10 categories there for you to go through. We'll look at them in greater detail in a moment. And we also added IoT business excellence. We wanted to understand a bit more about what makes the best CXOs tick in the Internet of Things. And we also wanted to celebrate startup, business development, or ecosystem of the year. So we have lined up some really interesting categories, and I'm sure you don't want to dwell any longer. Let's go now to find out who our winners are. The IoT Product of the Year for automotive, transport, and travel brought a short list, a very, very creditable short list of Globalstar, Innoviz Technologies, Altison Systems, DesignWorks Windsor, and B Square. And I am delighted to say the winner is B Square DataV Software. Now, this being a global awards scheme, it won't be possible for us to welcome to the stage all of the winners, but at the end, I will invite any that have been chosen who are here today to come up and receive their awards. And these plaques will be sent to the winners who aren't able to attend today. Let's go to the next, which is the Service of the Year for automotive, transport, and travel. And the finalists were Yacht Sentinel, Biz4 Intelia, and GeoTab. And the winner is GeoTab for revolutionizing automotive IoT. Now, if you want to know more about any of these awards, you'll be able to follow this on Twitter right now. And the Twitter handle to follow is @IoT Global Awards. That's @IoT Global Awards. We're tweeting live right now around the world, and our following has been, well, it's been quite significant. So let's move on. The next category is industry and construction, and the IoT product of the year shortlist was, again, Global Star, SenseGrow, Tell.me Plus, VersaSense, Hybe, Tembu, Eurotech, FreeWave Technologies, Sensei, Wind River, LEC IQ2, MacObject, and Conatus. That's quite a short list and an impressive competition, and the winner is Global Star for Smart Tone Satellite Tracker. Can we move next to the service of the year for industry and construction? And here we had Biz4Intelia, IoEtech, Sensolus, EY, and Sysmon. And if you want to know the winner is Sensolus for scaling industrial IoT. Details about all of these awards and all of these winners are to be found on IoT Global Awards.com and on IoTnow.com. The next category is retail, marketing, and hospitality, and the finalists were Lantronix, more big names, SAP, IQ2 LEC, Amscreen, DesignWorks Windsor, and Conatus. And the winner is DesignWorks for O2's digital clothes rail. These are intriguing case studies. I urge you to go and have a look at our website to see more about them. The IoT Service of the Year in retail, marketing, and hospitality. We only had one that met the criteria, but did it meet the judges' approval? The winner is, I'm delighted to say, SmartTrack Connect Things. There was no question they were a worthy winner as judged by our independent judges. In big data, there were many shortlisted and many who met the criteria. Altair, Eurotech, Enlighted, Sensei, SAP SE, FreeWave Technologies, MacObject, Seadrill, DesignWorks Windsor. Let's find out who the winner is. The winner is Enlighted for the Enlighted system. And the service of the year, we whittled it down to two. They are EY and Cybeats in the Big Data Cloud section. And the winner is Cybeats. In the Platform of the Year category, the Product of the Year again brought forth quite a number of finalists. Stream Technologies, Flexera, PTC, Eurotech, Wind River, Cyan Conode, LEC Incorporated, and Moxa Europe. And the winner is Wind River for the Secured Device Lifecycle Management Tool. Congratulations to Wind River. Thank you very much. Congratulations. We will have a photograph at the end. Please stay for that. That's fantastic. And the IoT Service of the Year, Platform of the Year, was between Eris and Crayuna. And the winner is Eris for their IoT solutions and connectivity. Congratulations to Eris. One of the most topical and challenging areas for the industry at the moment is how you secure the IoT. And the Internet of Things Product of the Year in this category was between Smart Axiom, Eurotech, Lantronix, Device Authority, IQ2 LEC, Flexera, and Moxa Europe. And the winner is Flexera, congratulations to Flexera for the IoT monetization platform. We also wanted to know the service of the year, and we whittled it down to just 3. And they are Cybeats, Red Alert Labs, and IoT. And the winner is Cybeats again. Congratulations to Cybeats. As I say, the plaques will be sent to the winners, and we will arrange photo opportunities with them. The IoT product of the year for connected consumer and smart home brought out quite a number of contestants, and they are Yacht Sentinel, MQTT Buddy, Tado, Switchy, Hy-B Inc., Comcast, New Current, Eddie Home, and DesignWorks Windsor. And the winner is Switchy. Congratulations to Switchy, who I know are here today. And the IoT service of the year in connected consumer and smart home is down to Softtech. Did they meet the criteria for the judges to approve? The winner is indeed Softtech. Delighted to have them as our winners for a full stack IoT product development. And the research and development or new launch product of the year, we had Zim, Rapid Value Solutions, Mobile Telesystems, DesignWorks Windsor, and NetOp IoT Network. And the winner is Rapid Value for Asset Ease, the smart asset manager for smarter business. Congratulations. This is the service of the year in research and development or new launch. And it boiled down to 2 strong contenders. They are Device Pilot and IoT Limited. And the winner is Device Pilot, I'm pleased to say. Congratulations. The product of the year in the Smart Cities, Government and Utilities category is closely fought between Altair, IECA, Cyan Conode, Curlink, Eddie Home, and AmScreen. And the winner is AmScreen for a collaborative smart city solution. Congratulations to AmScreen. And the service of the year in smart cities, government, and utilities. This is a choice between IoT, Terracom, and Gemalto. And the winner is Gemalto for its end-to-end cybersecurity solution. Congratulations, Gemalto. We have product of the year for connected health or wearable technologies. And the shortlist is Tembu, New Current, DesignWorks Windsor. And the winner is New Current for its wireless power solutions. Congratulations, New Current. And now we move to the final categories. We wanted to know who, in the judge's opinion, was the CXO of the year in the Internet of Things. And the choice was between some real heavy hitters. They are Yair Poleg, Jim Heppelman, Syed Zaim Hossain, Pilgrim Beert, Catherine Michelle, and A.D. Moores. And the winner is Jim Heppelman of PTC. Congratulations to Jim. And in the last category, which is also in our IoT Business Excellence Awards, we wanted to know who, in the judges' opinion, was the startup or business development or ecosystem of the year. And the finalists were VersaSense, Tembu, Satisfy Labs, SAP's IoT Startup Accelerator. And the winner is SAP for its IoT Startup Accelerator. We have a very happy recipient. So congratulations to SAP. Now, it would be our very great pleasure if those winners who've been able to join us today are able to join us now for photographs and to receive their awards.